What's going on, people? My name is Jack. Welcome back to another video here on my channel where I produce weekly content based around video editing, videography, and how to make money making videos. Subscribe if that sounds interesting to you. I need to get a drink of water. Let me get that Evian. 2 seconds. We're still on quarantine, and my views have been going up dramatically on YouTube. They have gone up actually 50% in the past 2 weeks. I usually get about 25,000 views a day across the course of my catalog of content, right? Over 600 plus videos. Now, I'm getting 75,000 views every 2 days. So what's that cut down the middle? Like damn near 40,000 views a day or something like that. So they've gone up by damn near 50%, which the entire reason for that is because everybody is at home watching YouTube videos. And this right here is my entire spiel right now for this video. Why now is the perfect time to start YouTube, because everybody's at home and they want content. Personally, I'm a content creator, and even I'm dying for content out here. I will pull this up and show you how dying I am for content right now. I'm literally watching 50 Cent's IG Live re-uploaded to YouTube from last night. I'm watching 50 Cent on IG Live with Michael Blackson right now, because that's how little content there is out there for me to watch as a coronavirus hider, someone who's inside trying to hide it out, not get the coronavirus, which I've thought I've had twice now, but it's all just nonsense. I sneeze, and then for the next 45 minutes, I'm looking around thinking I got corona. Realistically, I just got a little dust in my nose or something like that. But basically, let me pull this video in right now. Stop just rambling. Now is the best time, literally the best time that's probably ever been in the past at least couple years to start YouTube. The reason is because the average viewer is glued onto the screen. They need content to watch. Now, this is the perfect time for all channels. However, there is a very replicatable strategy to grow a channel right now, and that's what I'm going to break down to you. It's the reason my views of my catalog have gone up from about 50,000 every 48 hours to about 75,000 every 48 hours with me doing nothing. I've done nothing extra, just people are inside searching videos, and that is the key thing. My channel is a search result based YouTube channel. Search result based YouTube channels means someone asks YouTube a question, for example, how to mow the lawn, or how to edit a video in my case, or how to learn Adobe Premiere Pro, right? Something in video editing. And because I've put the time into making hundreds of how-to videos, that means inevitably people are searching things, and my videos are popping up in search results, which means when people search how to learn video editing or how to get a free video editing software, I've put the time in over the past couple years and made those videos so that when you ask YouTube that question, I give you the answer. My video pops up there as the answer, and you convert to a viewer, and then inevitably, if the content's good enough, which I've put time into my content, so to some people it is, right? They subscribe. Boom. There you go. Now all of a sudden you've got a channel that's doing good and essentially has traffic source. Search results is one of the best possible traffic sources on YouTube, and also it's the most easily replicatable. So it's not a super replicatable strategy to say make some awesome content and go viral or something like that, because it's not so easy to just do that. It is easier to make a load of how-to based videos that are findable through search, and then put the time into actually teaching yourself SEO, which is literally just watching a couple videos on YouTube of how to get your videos ranked. And then for the rest of time, those videos are ranked in search results and can constantly direct traffic to you. So now is the perfect time to start YouTube. Everybody's inside. Here is the absolute step-by-step dummy breakdown strategy of what you could do today if you have no channel and want to start, or if you have a channel and want to develop it. First, before you release a single piece of content, actually watch 3 to 5 YouTube SEO videos. Type in on YouTube, how to get my videos ranked in search, or how to rank videos in search results, or how to get more views, and watch at the very least, watch 100 of these videos if you can, but at the very least watch 3 to 5 videos of how to get your videos ranked in search result. This is the key thing to make this strategy work. It's the reason my views have gone up from 50,000 every 48 hours, 25,000 a day, to 75,000 now every 25 hours, every 24 hours, 48 hours, right? Because my videos are in search results. So now that more people are searching things, my views go up massively. So it's worth putting the time into that. So create content, teach yourself SEO, search engine optimization, how to get your videos ranked in search results so that people can actually find the content, and then start pushing out the content at an alarming rate. Push out as much content as you possibly can and do it based on things that people are searching. If you're starting a dog channel, how to take your dog for a walk, how to attach the leash, how to pour the dog food, questions that people are asking YouTube in your niche. Optimize the videos via a little bit of SEO, search engine optimization, and your videos will start getting ranked in search. And you guys can actually, over the course of this corona outbreak, the virus situation, you can make the most out of it. You could come out of this with hundreds, thousands, or tens of thousands of people following your brand new channel because you put the work in and built an SEO search-based strategy based around your brand new channel. Also, shout out to my existing YouTubers who might have clicked on this video as well. I'm sure you've gathered at this point that if you're not doing SEO, that is the key point to add to your channel. I'm actually going to go ahead and direct you guys to 2 other videos. One is called How to Optimize Your Channel. Very crucial that you watch that. I got that inside information from somebody who essentially worked with one of the biggest networks in the country, a network that works with The Rock and people like that, right? And he basically had a consultation with these people. He passed the information down to me as a secondhand info, but it comes from somebody who's associated with some really big people, a YouTube friend of mine, and a friend of mine in real life, actually. And essentially, I've put all that information into one video, how to optimize your channel. Very important you watch that video, but at the end of the day, I'm biased. So, I mean, does my opinion really hold weight? Hopefully, you're on my side and you will go watch that. But if not, it's all good. You're the one missing out, not me. Next video is... They're a little shady right there just for the lulz. The next video is this one, right? Of course, I'm pointing at nothing, but I assume the editing version of me has edited on the thumbnail. That is how to optimize your actual videos. So how to optimize your channel and how to optimize your videos. I use every strategy in here. They're applied to my channel already. It's the reason it's doing well. It's the reason it's going to do better in the future. Thank you guys for watching. Have a nice day. Now is the perfect time to start YouTube. Make a channel. Teach yourself SEO. Start uploading how-to search result-based content. Reap the rewards down the road. Thank you guys for watching. Have a nice day. Follow me on Insta, Facebook, Twitter, YouTube, and